Hello, my name is Arethia Brooks, and welcome to my channel, Essentials to a Journey, where we discuss all things self-care and mindset, specifically growth, transformation, and evolution of mindset. Before we get into today's topic, I want to say, for those of you who are returning to my channel, welcome back, and if it's your first time, welcome. And also, for those of you who do not know who I am a writer, author, entrepreneur, and certified health coach. And let's get into today's topic. So in today's topic, we are discussing DIY self-care practices that save you time and money. So one of the first self-care practices that you can use that will save you time and money is one that I personally enjoy, and this is a do-it-yourself mani-pedi. And this is a very easy, and for me, I look at it as a therapeutic practice. I also enjoy having the moment to basically take care of my nails. I love the process of it. I love picking out the colors. I love figuring out what works best for me in the moment, especially when it comes to my colors. This self-care practice will definitely save you well under 60 bucks. You can basically use your own techniques, whatever it is that you like to use, but I personally like to, I love to do my own little ritual. I love using particular oils, nail files, and anything that will also bring a bit of calm and relaxation to my hands, so hands and feet. I even love to use some body scrubs, especially when it comes to your feet, because ladies, we all know that wearing heels and wearing all these different type of shoes and wearing these different hats every day, our skin can become super rough, and we want to exfoliate, we want to add essential oil, we want to massage, and we want to bring a bit of healing into our body. And this is a beautiful way to self-care on a budget. So what this is, it's super simple if you are not familiar with doing your own mani-pedi, but picking out a certain color or a specific color that you like. I like colors that pop. I also like things that are more on the natural side, so ingredients that are made that are not to harm the environment. So I basically like to choose based on the elements that are put into my nail polishes. Also, I love a great top coat, so adding that, if you like certain things within your mani-pedi routine, go for it. It'll save you a lot of time and money. So this is a very easy, simple thing. You can also I love to also add a little, like I like to take warm water, add a couple of rose petals, and just kind of feel and smell the roses while I'm doing my mani-pedi. This can be as fun as you want it to be. You can even tap into putting some music on, putting your headphones in, and just allowing yourself the relaxation while you file, while you polish, while you massage your nails, your hands, your feet. Really get into this self-care practice that will save you time and money. So another way, a DIY self-care practice that you can use to save yourself some time and money, is red light therapy. Now this is so great. If you are familiar with any of my other video content, anything that I've talked about, especially when it comes to self-care, I've done a discussion on cryotherapy and the healing, the healing ability that it has when using cold therapy. But red light therapy is pretty much kind of the same, similar to the benefits of having cryotherapy. With red light therapy, this helps with reducing inflammation. It's great for anti-aging. It's also good for scars. If you have scars and you're trying to reduce your scars, it's also reduction in wrinkles as you're aging. So this self-care practice, if you go out, I've never done red light therapy within another practice or another business. I've never spent money on this, but I will say, if you go on to Amazon and you go on to any of the sites where you can purchase this this piece to have for yourself in your home, to use as a practice within your home, this could run you between 40 and 60 bucks. So instead of taking that 40 or 60 dollars that you're going to spend out to someone's practice, you can use this at home. You know, you spend that 40 or 60 bucks one time, and you have it for yours forevermore. Unless there's a warranty on it, and it may happen to just not work, and then you have to buy another one. Hopefully that is not the case, but red light therapy has so many benefits, and it will save you so much money, a year's worth. I mean, if you're doing this, I'm assuming that maybe you're spending well over $500 a year to use this, to do this, if you are purchasing it in packages within using it as a service from someone's, if someone is offering this service within their practice. But if you're doing it at home, again, you're saving instead of spending $500 or $600, you can do this at home for under 60 bucks. Another DIY self-care practice, do-it-yourself self-care practice that you can use to save you time and money is a Himalayan salt lamp, as well as sound bowl healing. Now, I will say I have not tried the Himalayan salt lamp. I haven't, but I am definitely interested in doing this practice and having it. I have not purchased it yet, but I do have a sound bowl. I have a Tibetan sound bowl, and I use this almost every time I do my meditation practice. But I will say, with the Himalayan salt lamp, this is something that I understand will bring lots of tranquility, lots of calm, and lots of peacefulness within your home environment. So whether you want to use this to place in your bedroom, or if it's something that you'd like to have in your home office to add a bit of calm and relaxation in a place where there might be a little bit more tension and a kind of speediness to get things done immediately. So if you want to bring a bit of relaxation and ease into your home environment, I would suggest using the Himalayan salt lamps. I know there are probably spas or facilities that may offer this service. However, you can save yourself so much time and money by purchasing one of these things, these lovely things, for probably under 60 bucks as well. And again, instead of going out and purchasing this as a package of using a service from a practice, you can buy this, purchase this for your home, and you have it for as long as you want. And you're spending, again, under 60 bucks to do this spa treatment. Another DIY self-care practice that will save you lots of time and money, aside from the Himalayan lamp, is a sound bowl. And sound bowls are, again, this is something that I use almost every time with my meditation practice. And to start with, before I begin my meditation practice, before I start to close my eyes and really get into it, I like to take my Tibetan sound bowl and I like to hit it a couple of times. And I don't know if you've ever done this, or if you start to do this, you might notice this, but for me, whenever I connect with the sound bowl, I almost immediately feel a sense of serenity, a sense of peace and calm that overcomes, and an inner stillness. It's almost like everything comes into focus, like everything has just become one, and I've just really got myself grounded and centered within. And it's like all the outer noise, anything that was really apparent to me, and that was, if my mind was going, in so many different directions, if I'm having a lot of thoughts, it just kind of helped me to focus my mind on that inner stillness and that inner peace before my practice begins, so that when I begin my practice, when I get into this sound bowl, my meditation practice, I'm able to focus my mind more so on my breathing and the inhale and the exhale, and it just brings me, again, so much peace and so much calm. So I cannot stress the wonderful benefits of having a sound bowl and being able to use this in your everyday practice. You can use this in meditation. You can also just have it laying around your home. And if you, for example, you're in your office space, say you want to hit it a couple of times to help you to refocus, this is so wonderful and such a beautiful practice. And I think I think there also may be another benefit if I'm not interpreting this wrong, but I believe that the sound bowl, the copper bowl, has the ability to heal. So if you place it on a particular area, I think I read this somewhere, that if you place it on a particular area, that say you have arthritis, or you haven't been having a few aches and pains in your arm or your wrist, or from writing or texting too much, if you place the sound bowl on that place that needs a little bit of love and attention, it will bring a bit of healing. I think this is another wonderful reason to invest in a sound bowl and use it as a DIY self-care practice. So the final DIY, do-it-yourself self-care practice that will help save you time and money is a scalp massage with essential oils. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to self-care. And what this is basically, it's super easy. You can either buy a tool to do this practice, or you can basically use what you have, which is basically your 10 fingers, to do this practice. And all it takes is a little bit of, it's saving you a lot of time and helps you to also relieve stress, especially if you are someone who is super used to going to your medicine cabinet, popping a few ibuprofen or aspirin. Instead of doing that, if you're having some headaches and some aches and pains, or you just want a bit of relief within your body, simply what you can do is you can either buy a head massage tool that you can find in any online store. And what you do is, at the tips of the tool, you can take an essential oil that you love. For me, I personally love peppermint. I also love, what are some other ones? Lavender is also great. And what else? Lemon oil is also wonderful. Any massage oil that's going to be delightful towards your senses, and also just bring you a bit of calm and relief, I think would be perfect, or anything that you feel drawn to. So what you're going to do is take that essential oil that you love and put it on the tips, again, of the tool that you're using. Just kind of go in circles around your head, and you'll start to feel the relief. But also your pores might, I know that your pores, when we're relaxed and we're open, this allows your pores to kind of open, and allowing the essential oil to seep in, which also brings a bit more healing and relaxation into your body, helping you to feel more calm and relaxed. But also, not only are you feeling that sense of relaxation, but you're also getting it through your sense of smell. So this is another great way to save yourself some time and money with a wonderful scalp massage and essential oil self-care practice that you can easily do yourself. You can either buy the tool, or again, you can put the oils on your hand and go in circular motions until you feel that sense of ease and relaxation. So I hope that all of these DIY self-care practices that will help you save time and money have been worth your time and effort here. Thank you so much for taking the opportunity to sit and learn something, or expose yourself to something that is a bit more towards your self-care practice. Again, I hope this has been beneficial. This information has been beneficial to you. If you're looking for any other video content that is similar to this video, please go ahead and check out the playlist that is linked to this video here. Check out the playlist here, and you will find so many other self-care practices that you can dive into. And if you have not yet, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video, so that not only others are able to see this content, but you're also able to stay up to date when I post more topics on self-care. Again, thank you for being here with me, and I wish you peace, light, and so much love.